Welcome back, Stargazer. Today's episode takes place in Los Angeles, the city of stars. We enjoy a sunny day flying with around 66 kilometers per hour or 41 miles per hour. Since our view is so beautiful, let us begin with our thought experiment and switch the sun with different stellar beauties. To get started, I have an extraordinary star for you. Very hot, massive and luminous. Under realistic conditions, changing our sun with this star would be a bad idea, but since this is only a thought experiment, we don't have to worry at all. Zeta Puppis, formerly named Naos, is the brightest star in the constellation of Puppis. This star was catalogued as early as the 2nd century by Greek astronomer Ptolemy. It has been studied extensively since the 19th century, with significant contributions from astronomers like William Herschel. Modern studies focus on its intense stellar wind and high mass loss rate. You can find it here in the night sky. Zeta Puppis is an O-type supergiant and one of the hottest and most massive stars visible to the naked eye. Its powerful stellar wind carries away a mass equivalent to the Sun every 500,000 years. The star is incredibly luminous, shining with a brightness approximately 800,000 times that of the Sun. This makes it one of the brightest stars in its region of space. Here you can see a flight from Earth to Naos. This takes us to the next candidate for a star swap with our Sun. Atria, or Alpha Triangulae Australis, has been observed since the star's inclusion in the Bayer star catalogue in the 17th century. Its properties have been studied extensively through modern photometry and spectroscopy. It is the brightest star in the constellation Triangulum Australe, located in the southern hemisphere. This constellation is visible primarily in the southern skies, making Atria an important navigation star for southern hemisphere explorers. Atria is located approximately 391 light-years from Earth. This relatively close distance allows astronomers to study it in detail and understand the properties of similar stars in this phase of their life cycle. You can find it here in the night sky. Here is a flight from Earth to Atria. Atria is classified as a K2 star, which means it is an orange giant. It has a radius about 140 times that of the Sun, making it a significantly larger star. This expansion is typical of stars that have exhausted their core hydrogen and have moved into later stages of stellar evolution. Atria has a mass about 7 times that of the Sun, indicating it started as a more massive star and is now evolving towards the later stages of its life. Atria is about 5,500 times more luminous than the Sun. This immense brightness is due to its large size and the stage of evolution it is currently in, where it burns helium in its core and other elements in shells around the core. Atria's combination of size, brightness, and evolutionary stage makes it a key object of study for astronomers interested in stellar evolution and the life cycle of stars. Its relatively close proximity to Earth allows for detailed observation, contributing to our broader understanding of how stars evolve and influence their surrounding environments. If you happen to like the Stargazer show, it would be very kind of you to like and subscribe and forward the video. Thank you for your support.